Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 2, Olympic Value Education. And today's topic which we are going to cover, that is Summer and Winter Olympic Games. So in modern Olympics, we already learnt in modern Olympics the history, the designing of the flag, inauguration, when it was being inaugurated. We have learned related to the Olympic flame, the award ceremony, the rules of the competitions, opening ceremony, closing ceremony, oath taking ceremony, which we have learnt in the modern Olympic Games. But we are because many times it happens that they are asking in a question, they are been asking you that write down a short note on a summer Olympic Games. So you need to write down and whatever the points it is been left, you can already take from the modern Olympic. So let's see the Summer Olympic Games. Actually, the Olympic game has been divided into two parts, summer as well as the winter. So, Summer Olympic Games, that is considered a modern Olympic game, which has been started in the year 1896 in Athens. It was been started for the first Summer Olympic was being held in Athens in 1896, that is in Greece. I have written these all points point-wise so that it is easy for you to remember. Now, it is the multi-sports events hosted by the different countries once in every 4 years. Every 4 years it is been organized once. So it is a multi-sports event. Why it is been known as multi-sports event? Because different events are being included here. The IOC organizes these games and supervises the host city preparation. The IOC, in the International Olympic Committee, they used to organize that in which year which country is going to host the game. For example, in 2020 it was to be held in Tokyo, Japan. So due to this pandemic 19, it is not been possible to organize. Now it is going to be held in 2024 in Paris. So whatever the decision is being taken, it is being taken by the IOC, that is International Olympic Committee. They used to decide that which country is going to host the next, and they used to supervise that each and every preparation which has been going on in that host city. They used to supervise. That is one of the role of the IOC. Then position holder of the Olympic Games are being given gold, silver and bronze medal, where the position holder, like those who have stood first position, second and third position, they are being given as a gold, silver and bronze medal, as well as the certificates are being given. And another three participants or three persons, like fourth, fifth and sixth position, they are getting the certificates. So the position holder in the Olympic Games are being given gold, silver and bronze medal. Now the tradition to the award, the medal, started in the year 1904, which were held in St. Louis in USA. So when was this tradition of the giving the medals or awarding these medals to the players was being started? It was being started in 1904 in USA, that is in the St. Louis. In the first Olympic game, the 245 sports persons participated, of which more than 200 were the Greeks. More than 200 were Greeks. The females were not being allowed to participate. Only one woman ran the marathon race unofficially, named Satmata. It is known as Satamata Riviti. It is named as she was named as Stamata Riviti. She was not allowed to participate by the committee. The IOC has not allowed her to participate, but unofficially she has ran the marathon race. So such types of questions can be asked for 1 mark. Then 8 point we are having that there are only 5 countries, that is Greece, Australia, France, Great Britain and Switzerland, who have represented at every Summer Olympic. These countries are there at each and every Summer Olympic. They have participated or they have represented their country in the Olympics. There are many other countries are there who has hosted the Olympic. For example, US has hosted 4 times. Then London is going to host 3 times. See, this is the London which has been to be held in 2000 in Paris. So in France, it has been it has been in France, the Paris. They have might be hosted for 2 to 3 times. So each and every country, different countries has hosted this Olympic event 2 times, 3 times. Then next we are having, that is in 1900 at the Paris Summer Olympic, the women were allowed to participate. So in 1900, in the year 1900 at the Paris Summer Olympic, the women were being allowed to participate. but before that women were not being allowed, but in 1900 the women was being allowed. But at that time, the first, when they have participated, at that time only 6 women has been participated. How many? For the first time in the modern Olympics, only 6 women has been participated. Then in the year 1916, 1940 and 1944, the Summer Olympics were not being held due to the World War. And the first World War in the year 1916, and the second World War in the 1940 and 44 it was been. So due to that, the Olympics were not being organized. Then in 1952, Helsinki, that is Summer Olympic, the USSR team participated for the first time and became the one of the dominant team. You have seen the USSR team has been participated in 1952 for the first time, and the team has become the dominant teams. Then in 1964, the Tokyo Olympic was the first to broadcast the worldwide on television. So here, when was the Olympic worldwide was being broadcasted on the television? So you can see that you can say that in 1964 it was been when it was being held in Tokyo, Japan. There was a terrorist attack in 1972 Olympic held in Munich, where 2 Israelis were killed, and they took 9 hostages. So here in the 1972 Olympic, which was being held in Munich, at that time, due to the terrorist attack, 2 Israelis were being killed and 9 hostages. They have made the 9 hostages. And in the year 1980, the Moscow Olympic was being boycotted by USA, West Germany and Japan. They have boycotted the Moscow Olympics in the year 1980. Then in the year 2008, Olympic held in Beijing, China, Michael Phelps, the swimmer from the USA, have set the record of 8 gold medals at a single Olympic. In that Olympic, Michael Phelps, in a swimmer, he has got the 8 gold medal in the swimming, in the different events of the swimming, like backstroke, freestyle, butterfly strokes. So in this event, he has won the 8 gold medals. Then London has hosted the Summer Olympic for the 3rd time. See, the London has hosted the Olympic for the 3rd time in the year 2012. So as I have told you, the different countries have hosted 3 times, 2 times, 4 times. So in that, London has hosted the Summer Olympic for how many times? 3rd time, that is in the year 2012. So this is what the summary of the Summer Olympic Games. So with the help of this, you can prepare the notes. You can prepare a very good note with the help of this. If you are going to prepare this like a point wise, then it will be easy for you to remind. And you can see the Tokyo medals, which was been designed for the year 2020. This type of medals for the gold, silver and bronze. But unfortunately, it is not been possible to organize this year. Now let's learn with go through this Winter Olympic Games. Now, Winter Olympic game, again I have jot down the different points for so that it will be easy for you. There are the different types of activity in the Winter Olympic Games which are been related to. Let's see the picture first, and I am just let us remind the names. Okay, so we are having alpine skiing. The first which picture you can see in the first picture, that is alpine skiing. Second, we are having figure skating. Then we are having freestyle skating. Then snowboard is one of the event. Then we are having alpine skiing, that is ski jumping. The first one is the ski jumping, and alpine here is at the bottom. Then we are having curling. Then cross country. Then we are having biathlon. Then we are having bobsledge, luge. Then skeleton race. Then short track, and we are having speed lunge, skating, speed skating. It has been given as a speed skating and short tracks. So these are the events which are being included in the Winter Olympic. So Winter Olympic Games are also being considered as one of the major part of the international sporting event, and these also are being organized under the guidance of IOC, International Olympic Committee. And these Winter Olympics are being held once in a 4 year. The games are practiced in a snow and ice. These games are being practiced where it has been practiced in a snow or it has been practiced in ice. The first Winter Olympic was being held in Chamonix in France in the year 1924. So the question has been asked that when was the first Winter Olympic was being held, it was being held in France in Chamonix. These games were held continuously between 1924 to 1936. Why it was being held by 1924 to then? Why? Because it was being interrupted by the Second World War, and it was being interrupted due to the Second World War. In the year 1940 it was not being held, and in 1944 also it was not being held. Then afterward the Winter Olympic was being resumed in the year 1948. It was being resumed again. It was being started. Winter Olympic was being started in the year 1948. Until 1992, both Winter and Summer Olympics were being held in the same year. We were having Summer Olympics during the summer season as well as Winter Olympics during the winter season. But in the same year it was being organized. But it was being till the year 1992. Then afterwards, the IOC, the committee has decided. But according to the decision taken by the IOC, the Winter Olympics were being held in 1994 instead of 1996. Because up to 1992, the Winter Olympics and Summer Olympics were were going parallel together in the same year. Then afterwards, next Winter Olympic must be held in 1996, but it was not being held in 1996. It was held in after 2 years, that is 1994. So after every you can see that Summer Olympics, then after 2 years gap again Winter Olympics, again 2 year gap Summer Olympics. So here after you can see there is a difference between Summer Olympics, and that difference was being made in the year 1992. So Winter Olympic Games have been hosted in 3 continents of the world, because it depends upon the weather environment, the conditions in which the participant or the competitor can participate, because it is a game of only where the snow and ice, where it is there only it is been possible. So that's why the Winter Olympic game have been hosted in the 3 continents of the world by the 11 different countries. 12 countries of the world have sent their sports person to participate in every Winter Olympic. There are 12 countries are there who used to send their sports person to participate in every Winter Olympic. There are 6 countries who have won the medal at every Winter Olympic. There are 6 countries in Winter Olympic who used to win the medals in every Winter Olympic. Norway has secured the maximum number of the gold medals for the maximum number of times. The Norway is a country who used to secure the maximum number of the gold medals in this Winter Olympic Games. In the year 2018, the Winter Olympic was hosted by South Korea, and after that in 2022 it is to be held in Beijing, China. So you can see the different alpine skiing. The picture, the image of the alpine skiing is, you can see the marathon on the first picture. You can also observe. So Winter Olympics and Summer Olympics, you can find out more information, and you can prepare the notes on the basis of this. Otherwise you can have these all points and you can prepare a good notes which is going to help you for the short notes. So if you are having any doubts, you can comment, you can ask. Thank you.